So, since we're all in here, everyone's paying attention. You guys are all going to pretend like you're excited to be here, okay?
Yes.
So when I say class, you say yes. Class.
Yes.
Woo! All right, good. Now, thank you. So now this is what we're going to do. We are going to make a light switch cover. And this light switch cover is going to be specific to you. So this is a rocker light switch cover. Okay, it's one of the flatter ones that actually it's a rocker type, and they're really wide. Okay, so these are like the newer outlet and newer switches. Okay, if you don't have that, if you have the old school with the little toggle up and down, that one's going to be this one here. Okay, so this one's a smaller one, but what we're going to do is we're going to do the video for this one in class right now. And then I'll show you what to change at the end so you can actually adjust it for this. Does that make sense? So if you don't have this one, I'm going to show you how to change it at the end. But everyone's going to follow along and do the instructions for what we're doing. I already have the other video posted for if you have the rocker type. So if you want to, actually go on my YouTube channel and actually find it, I posted it there. It's the last one up. If you want to go through and actually follow that, you can. This video is going to be for the non-rocker type, the switch type. Okay, so let's go with this. So now, who has this type here at home? You have that, that. Okay, so if you have the rocker, you can go to my YouTube channel and actually I posted the other one.
Wait, the rocker or the little? That one.
This is rocker.
Yeah, I have it.
Okay, so where do you go?
YouTube.
Go to my YouTube channel. It's the latest upload. And so for everyone else that has this one, I'm going to actually go through this here because a couple of dimensions are different. So, but overall, it's about the same. So here we go. So we're going to start here. Everyone's starting here, even if you are doing either side. So either type, you're going to start like this. So I'm going to start with a right over here, save. If you notice, went straight to save because I need to fix how you guys label what these are. So this is going to be light. Okay, I'm just going to call this one old type. All right, so for you, it's just still going to be a light switch cover. And for me, I'm changing it to say old type because I have both of them. And then put your full name. So it's the name of the assignment followed by your full name.
Government?
Huh? Government name. Thank you. The reason why we do that, because in industry, which I'm hoping you people eventually end up doing, is your projects are going to end up turning in like this. No matter what you do, if you do anything with this, architecture, drafting, CAD, like even making circuit boards, you're going to do it like this. Whichever project it is, followed by your name because you're the person working on it. Hit save. There we go. So now we're starting with saved already. I'm going over here. This is where I'm going to change my units. Over here, upper left, change the unit. Hit the little thing. And everyone's is going to be in inches. Everyone's going to be in inches. I'm going to hit OK. Now, first thing, I'm going to hit create sketch. I'm going to pick this one down here. Now, create. This is going to be different. It's a rectangle from a center rectangle. I'm going to start here. Now, if you can see this from here, That's not the sizes, but if you notice, if you do it as a center rectangle, it's going to give you the option to change it right away. So the one that's highlighted in blue, that one has to be 2.8. Hit the tab button, and it's going to change to the other one, 4.55. If you notice, you get that locked in, so it's going to lock into that size. So everyone, no matter which one you're working on, it actually starts like this.
Oh, they're finally low.
Yeah, turn your volume down.
But not me. You design, right?
Now, this is going to be the switch type, the little switch. I'm going to do this again, create, rectangle, center rectangle. And this one is going to be the highlighted, which is in blue, is going to be 0.4. Hit tab, 0.93. Hit enter. So the name of the assignment, and then your full name.
See. Where? What's the name of the assignment?
Light switch cover. Light switch cover.
Switch.
All right, we good?
Cover.
All right, I'm going to continue, so let me know if you actually need some measurements or something.
Just light switch cover?
Light switch cover, and then you go your full name after that.
You have my middle name?
Government name, I don't need your middle name.
That's is my.
Okay. I'm going to hit finish sketch. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to select the outside portion. Select the outside portion. And I'm going to go up, and this button over here is called extrude. So I'm going to give this thickness. Are you okay? Okay, so.
We already saved it.
Okay, sketch. Yep. Go ahead, put there. Okay, and do right here, create.
That's great.
Create. So,
That's great.
and center rectangle.
Rectangle.
All right, how are you doing?
I don't know. Come on, wait. So.
Huh? Yeah, 0.15.
What?
All right, so see what you're doing? Yeah, you're calculating. Okay, so you haven't, have you made anything? Okay, so right here, create rectangle center. So we're gonna start here. And what's wrong here? Say your units are in millimeters. So we need to go over here.
Where?
Right here.
That? Units? I'm just kidding.
So this is one of the things I need you actually like 100% paying attention. If this guy over here is annoying you, tell him to get away.
Okay. How many inches is it supposed to be?
No, 2.8 there. 2.8.
Dang, how big is this?
You want numbers are? Type 2. No, just stop.
How do I type it?
From your keyboard.
Okay.
Type 2.8.
0.8. Huh? How do I type the bottom?
Now go tab
Okay, so that
4.55.
4.55.
Enter.
Yep.
There you go.
There you go.
Now you're gonna zoom in. So if you have a mouse, the scrolling is actually a little bit easier. Now you're gonna do another one. Nope, wrong type. Go to create.
How does yours look a little bit bigger?
Center rectangle. Yep. So click on center, and then spread it out a little bit. That's too much. This is gonna be. Look at how big mine is. So your dimensions is 0.4.
Like that one?
Yeah.
Oh.
0.93.
Wait.
There you go. We'll finish sketch. Yep, that's sketch. There you go. So now the next thing you're gonna do is you're going to select the outside part. No, just right there. So that's the part that we're gonna raise. Okay. All right, and it's up. You're up to the point where we're on the board. All right, where we at? Okay, so are you making first ones or two? Okay, so this
Yo. I don't know.
and which one are you trying to watch the video or check it all?
Shut the fuck up.
There. And this one is a bill for
Damn. Wait, where is, what would I do?
and so I hit enter here, and now it shows you X and Y dimensions.
That's an inches. Get it back to you.
Hey, what's good? Do you know where that goes? You do? You know where it goes? You don't know? Because you might end up having to be. So.
Oh, man.
All right, there we go.
Mr. Wayne, please help me.
Okay. Forward.
Huh?
Tab. Okay. No, come on. Took you too long. Hit finish sketch.
Finish sketch?
Okay. Select right in there. Yep.
Yes.
And that piece right there, we are going to extrude.
Right here.
Yep. And we're going to extrude it. It's on the board. 0.15.
Point.
All right.
Hey, I'm not doing this one. I'm doing the little switch one.
Okay, you could change it later, like I said.
Yes, sir.
All right, so here we go. It's extruded 0.15. There we go. So now that we have it like this, so it is my light switch cover. It has thickness, but it's just a square. So I am going to create. Now, when you do this, this is important. This is where a lot of people screw this up. So if they're not following along or paying attention, this is where they screw up. When you're creating, you have to create this next one on the top. So if you notice, it's grayed out here. So I'm selecting the face. So whatever I do now, I'm going to create, it's going to be on here. Line. And now I'm going to have it go over here. You notice that little triangle I have right there on the left?
Yeah.
That means that it's on the midpoint. So at the midpoint of that line. And so I'm going to do a line. And what this is this is going to be a guide. You're not going to see this line later on. So I'm going to click here. And I'm going to go directly in 1.07. Now, if you notice, it just gives me a point.
It's my line and I'm putting it.
Hmm?
Come over here, please.
You haven't selected a point. You have to select that surface. That's why.
Now click.
Hold on. Now you do one.
What line?
So you have to create a surface first. So sketch here. Now you do. Okay, that's what I was saying, talking about where it had to be. So you had to select on this, otherwise it's going to make it somewhere else.
How big is it?
1.07.
Hey, yours looks way bigger than mine. Way smaller.
All right, so now from here, watch this. Click on that point. Right click on that point. Hole.
Click hole.
Click hole. I'm leaving it up here because I got people trying to follow.
I use zero hole.
Now, what this does is it creates a hole and we're doing a type of hole. So the type of hole is going to be beveled, which is this one right here. The hole is going to go all the way through. And let me see. So, yeah, this is left over from my last one. So that's the reason why this is actually set up already. So this outside area is 24.
Wait.
So it's 0.24.
Okay, so it's 0.
And the bottom part is 0.22.
.2. Mine doesn't say inches, so
Did you just put 0.22?
yeah.
That's fine. Because the units are standard inches right now.
Alright.
And so after you finish that, it'll populate the inches here in a moment.
I have one. Zero point seven.
1.07. There we go. So this is where we're at. And we're going to do the same thing from the other side. So I'm going to start with
Just once you click, get rid of the menu.
finish.
I don't have finish. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. There you go. Now you're going to do it again, but now you're going to do it. Start with your line on this other side. So, no. What do you got to do first? Yeah, sketch, and now you click on the surface.
Create 9. Same degrees and everything.
Yep.
0.
Sketch my surface, my line, and it is 1.07 again.
Oh, how do you have the tape again?
Chill.
They're putting tape on me.
There. Who's there?
Yeah, you guys just stop. Seriously, I'm getting annoyed already. I'm dealing with children here. Now I'm going to do right click the hole again.
I said, I'm not.
Outside. So what it does is
I already have a CD.
it will save the same thing from the last time. There we go. So 0.24, 0.22. Okay.
Fill the holes, right?
Now, like I said, I'm going to try and finish with this pretty quick so I can go back and help each person with whatever part they're stuck on. Okay? You guys are struggling? Now, next thing you're going to do, you go up here, you hit the house in the upper right-hand corner. That's going to be your home. So it should come up like this. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take the edges and round off the edges. We're going to round the edges.
It'll come up like that.
How's yours come up?
Like going straight down.
Going straight down? Okay, so what you're going to do, you can manipulate it by hitting different parts of the cube. But make sure your top is where it's supposed to be.
You're on top?
This is the top. Okay, because that's where down here, these are beveled. So going in here, there's a slant to this. So as the screw goes in, it sits down a little bit further.
Mine is like this. Look at this.
I know. You set it up in the different mode or different direction.
I know, but it don't work.
Extrude. Nope, we're not doing extrude. What'd I say to do? Fillet. So up here it says fillet. I'm going to select the lines that I'm going to fillet. I'm going to fillet this line. And you have to select all 4 lines at the same time. For all of them to work out, you need them all 4 at the same time.
It won't work.
And my fillet, I'm rounding it to 0.1.
Top right?
Hit the house. There, that's fine. So what you could do is we just need it slightly added closer to those corners. So we're gonna do that one. So fillet the 4 lines.
Click it, just click it.
Just the line.
There.
And now you have to do all 4 of them.
All 4 of them on each side. There, I did understand.
All right. So now there's the point. We are done with a basic light switch. But we don't like basic. Since we don't like basic, I'm going to add some text on this. We're going to customize this. So I'm going to go create. Select the front. Create, select the front. And I'm going to select text. Now I'm going to draw a text box.
I don't let me. Okay. Okay. Oh my God.
Sample text. It goes in that little text box window that you see up there. You could change the sizes. Since you guys are doing your alignment for the first time, it normally pops up like this. I would recommend do a center alignment and a middle alignment also. So it's going to put it right here in the middle, and because of that, I could probably go a little bit bigger. Now from here,
It's telling me change it inches. Change it. Change it. Change it. Change it.
so once I have the name on here, right click on it, and we do press pull. You right click and you select press pull. Press pull is the extrude function. For those people in class not following along, you're going to struggle here. Press pull. This is going to be my thickness that I'm pressing or pulling is going to be 0.05. Now, I'm going to show you what it does. So now this is making it pop up above right here. So that is making it pop up out of it. And when you do this, you have to be careful with what you have, because if it's popping up, it has to be thick enough to not fall off. It has to not break off, because a lot of 3D print, if it's a thin line, so whatever text that you're using, it can't be cursive and have like a cursive line and still work out very well. Because of it having a very thin line, it will just fall off. So you try to make it bold when you're doing the print. So this is popping out. And let me change this, edit. So instead of actually popping out, I'm going to push it in. So instead of saying a positive 0.05, I'm going to put a negative in front of it. A negative is going to push it down, so it's going to cut into the material.
You know, I'm gonna- Cause some people like some inches.
And change it to cut. So negative 0.05, it operation changes it from join to cut. Now I'm pushing it in. So now if you look at my print here, you can see that it's all pushed in. And this is a lot easier when you're actually doing these prints like this, for it to not fall off. All right. Other than that, that's the basic, but you're gonna customize whatever you want on it. I'm gonna use the rest of the class to help the students that got lost. Like, share, and subscribe.